Hey everyone, hope you guys had a great week. Looking forward to a good fun weekend. Just wanted to go over the goals for this week and share with you some specifics about the materials that I have available for you for this week. So this week will consist of assignments and materials for September 24th through October the 1st. And we're going to begin the prep work for your final assignment. We only have about 3 weeks left of class, which is crazy. It goes by so fast. So the next 2 weeks we'll be preparing for your final assignment, which will be due on the last day of class, which is October the 14th. So let's take a look at some of the requirements for these assignments. So for this week, you're going to take a look at this professional interview project overview. This is the last major assignment of the semester, and I'll have a separate video detailing this assignment. You'll need to watch a few things that will give you some background information on being an interviewee as well as an interviewer. This video is over professional interviewing. This one talks about building your brand and your resume. And then this is a discussion from last year with some of the recruiting team from First Orion, where I work. And again, this is from last year, so you may hear some references to that. But it gives you some great information about LinkedIn, how to update your profile, and how to really create your brand through LinkedIn. So that's just kind of a nice to have video. I've also included a number of PDF documents that you can read about being the interviewer, the interviewee, some tips on the resume, asking questions, all of those things that you will need to complete your mock interview. This is a link to some resume examples from the UALR Career Center. So that includes resumes as well as cover letters. You'll need both of those for this project. So this just gives you some basic information about creating those. The last 3 things that are located here, these are your assignments for this week. So one of the things that we're going to spend some time on over the next couple of weeks are identifying your strengths, so that when you are interviewing for a job or an internship or an assistantship, you understand what your strengths are and you can really play to those strengths. So this is a Strength Finders assessment. It's real quick. You just need to, it's free. There's no cost to it. And it's going to identify your top 5 strengths. And then we'll be able to incorporate those into your resume and also your interview responses. We also have a resume draft. So I want to see your first take at your resume. So take a look at some of these examples. Watch the videos, read the chapters that are here. It's all about, resumes, and then submit your resume draft. And I'll take a look at that and give you feedback, and then you can use it for your mock interview, and you can also use it for any, future interviews you might have as well. And this last assignment is the job description for the mock interview. So for this last assignment of the semester, you're going to be an interviewee interviewing for a job that you would like to have. So you need to figure out what that job is. And you can look at apprenticeships, internships, graduate assistantships, if there's a graduate school program application, an actual job. But it needs to be something that you could legitimately obtain upon graduation, or even now. Maybe something that you're looking to interview for now. Lots of resources to find these job descriptions. You can go to Glassdoor, Indeed.com, onet.com, lots of different websites to find a job description. So you'll need to post that job description here. And then over the next couple of weeks, we'll go through the steps of researching the position and planning how you might answer questions related to that job. So this is a lot of information this week, a lot of background information just to help you kind of set the stage for the assignments that we'll be doing next week and then into the final week of class. So next week we're going to focus on actually building out the interview agenda. We're going to talk about how to answer questions, things like that, and get you ready for the final assignment. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.